Good morning. Lesson 3-3, probably the easiest lesson in the whole module, I promise. Multiplying integers is really pretty simple. If you read through the text, it's going to confuse you a little bit because of all these words. Let me just tell you what to do. Multiply. 2. Count the negatives. 3. If you have an odd number of negatives, answer is negative. If you have an even, and remember even means divisible by 2, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 28, even number of negatives, answer, can you guess? Positive. That's it. Multiply like normal, count the number of negatives. If that number of negatives is odd, the answer is negative. If that number of negatives is even, the answer is positive. Okay, let's try it out. So they're going to say negative 7 times 5. We said multiply. 7 times 5? 35. Count the number of negatives. 1. Is 1 odd or even? It's odd. Odd means negative. Check it. We did so good. Okay? 9 times 13. Well, I don't have that memorized in my head, but we can do the work. 117. Count the number of negatives. 1. 1 is odd. Answer is negative. Again? 11 times negative 90? Well, 9 times 11 is 99, so that must be 990. 1 a negative, 1 is odd. Odd means negative. Okay? Let's see if they got anything tougher for us. Oh, let's try 8 times 9. 8 times 9, 72. Count the negatives. 1, 2. 2 is literally divided by 2. It's the same number. 2 is even. Answer is positive. 5 times 13? Don't remember. Well, 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 3 is 15, so it must be 65. 1, 2. 2 is even. Answer is positive. Again, if you put it in algebra, P times Q, remember letter next to letter means multiply. Negative 16 times negative 7. I don't know 16 times 7. Don't use your calculator on these. Just use your brain. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 12. 1, 2 negatives. 2 is even. Answer is positive. But then what happens when we have more than one number? Well, you multiply. That's step 1. And if you remember the commutative property of multiplication, you can multiply in any order. So in this case, I would multiply 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. Then count the number of negatives. 1, 2, 3. 3 is odd. Answer is negative. Down here, I might do 3 times 3, which I know is 9. 9 times 11 is 99. 1, 2, 3. 3 is odd. Answer is negative. Piece of cake, you guys. Promise. And then, again, when you have algebra, so let's not do PQRS. Let's go through this one because it has a squared, and you might have forgotten how to do a square. Remember, square means B times B. So A, I don't like writing more over them. A is negative 5. B is 4, and we're going to go to the power of 2. And C is negative 9. So we're going to multiply them out. Let's do 5 times 9. 5 times 9 is 45. And then we're going to have 4 squared. 4 squared is 16 times 45. Yep, I don't know that one either. Let's see. 5 times 6 is 30. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times 6 is 24. 4, 5, 6. 0, 12, 720. So we get 720 when we multiply all this out. And then count your number of negatives. Tricky part is if this is negative, there's actually 2 because it's squared. So you have to count it this many times. But there's none. So we have 1, 2. 2 is even. Answer is positive. Okay? That's multiplying integers. It's just that easy. Multiply them, count the number of negatives. If that number is odd, the answer is negative. If that number is even, the answer is positive. Good luck.